We're here at the, whatever building this is.
ERP.
24, Car D. We have some ThyssenKrupp destination dispatch. Here to ride. Oh wow. 24. This is glass. So this is gonna be cool. Oh. Wow. The tallest building in Midland has glass elevators. Wow. I never knew there was glass elevators in this building. So she went from 1978. Wow. That's really cool. Wow, we gotta go off here. This is cool. Holy crap. Let's take a look at this view. Lobby. Cardi. We are definitely going to take another ride in this. Just because of this. Look at this view. Glass elevators for a 24-story building. What am I ride on this? This is a really, I'll show myself. This is a really cool building. Cardi. Send that one upstairs. But there goes that one. Alrighty. 24, Car B. This time. Car B.
Got it? Yep.
We'll stand on this side here. Turn around here. Go to the other side, please.
Huh?
Sorry. Talk about stocks.
Yep.
$24.
Take it out, right?
Yeah, we have to get out of here. Let's take a look at view on both directions. Look at this. This is the view heading south of town. See I-20 way over there. This is like the tallest building around here for miles. And this is actually the north view of Abilene. I mean, Midland. That is a service car.
Yep.
They have their own separate button there. But anyway, let's go back down to the lobby here. Cardi. Let's meet Cardi.
Security access required. Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel. B. L. Going to the lobby. Please proceed to elevator A. Third elevator to your left. Right.
Elevator A. My favorite elevator number. Letter, whatever it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice elevators. Stop it at 10.
10th floor. Arriving, going to lobby.
Here we are, lobby.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. This is a really cool elevator system. It's kind of surprised that if you take a look out at this door here, it tells you when this building was built and all this stuff. Look at this. The First National Bank of Midland, constructed in 1976, opened in 1978, and these are all the buildings that the directors of the all to make this building happen. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.